This is Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the magnifier on your Android phone. So you can see I can use this to see things a lot easier. And it goes in quite a bit. So here's like my speaker. If I had a coin or something like that, I should be able to see it as well. So let's do the Motorola symbol. And then just zoom in on it. So it works. What you want to do is just go down to the accessibility options on your phone. So just scrolling down from the top right, go to settings. Here's accessibility right here. Now this is usually going to be under like vision enhancements or something like that. Go to magnifier. This is going to be different than magnification. We want to go to the magnifier. And then set this up with the shortcut button. So tap accessibility button. Okay, let's go to just this one. So I can tap it right here. Go to magnifier. Now it's on. So I just turned off my phone. Okay, now I should be able to use it. I can just scroll up and down. I got different filters, and it looks like I can take a screenshot too. Otherwise, you can literally just go to your camera and do the same thing. Well, it looks like here it is. I got the 10 times zoom on here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below.